Here's interesting app called Deforum AI ART. So just tap get to install it, and then double click to install. Then you can just try it out. There are so many apps in this category. There is Midjourney, like Epic, so many apps. AI art, an innovative app that transforms your ideas into the visual stories of your dreams using an advanced AI engine. Let your creativity run wild with our powerful AI generator. Benefits of the Deforum AI art: endless creativity, outstanding quality, intuitive interface, multiple styles and effects. Then you can just give a try to this app. Then you can just open it up. Allow to send notifications, and then here you can start a 3-day free trial. Then it's like $10 per week. Whoa, so it's like quite expensive app. It's not per month, per week, so it's like $40. You need to be careful, just when you're doing that. So upload an image. All right, so let's just try to do that. I'll just upload some kind of photo, and then choose a style. All right, so here I uploaded a wrong image. I thought it's also just some kind of landscape, but nope, this is like you can just select what you want to upload. Okay, so futuristic, next. All right, male, I think I selected like what? Next, and then if you want to generate this kind of art video, so it's not just photo, you need to pay so here's $3, or you can also just upgrade to premium Deforum AI for $30. You just decide, and that's basically the essence of the app. That's how it works, and that's basically the idea of it. Hope that is helpful.